Want to build a stunning WordPress website without any tech headaches? In this step-by-step hosting your WordPress tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to launch your site from scratch the easy way. We use Hostinger's powerful hosting platform, tap into professional pre-made WordPress templates, and customize everything using Elementor, one of the most popular drag-and-drop builders for WordPress. Whether you're creating a blog, business site, or portfolio, by the end of this video, you'll have a fully functioning professional WordPress website up and running. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do to build a WordPress website with Hostinger is to click the link in the description below so you can be taken to Hostinger and so you can take advantage of the Hostinger discount. Make sure you copy the Hostinger promo code I've included next to the link in the description that saves you more money on your Hostinger hosting purchase, plus gets you a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning you're receiving commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you get an awesome Hostinger discount. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger page. Click the Grab Deal button to be taken to the Hostinger plan section on the page. You'll see 3 different plans you can choose from: the Premium, Business, and Cloud Startup plan. Something to keep in mind is that the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the Hostinger coupon code at checkout. All plans come with a 30-day money-back guarantee, 24/7 support, global data centers, and a 99.9% uptime guarantee. Hostinger's premium web hosting plan packs serious value. You get hosting for up to 25 websites with 25 gigabytes of fast SSD storage, plus 50 free email accounts for the first year, 2 mailboxes per website, free for the first year. It also includes a free domain name with annual billing, unlimited SSL certificates, weekly backups, free website migration, a built-in AI website builder, and fully managed WordPress hosting. Hostinger's business web hosting plan includes everything from the premium plan. AI tools included with this plan is the AI website builder, AI image generator, AI writer, AI blog generator, and AI SEO tools. You get hosting for up to 50 websites with 50 gigabytes NVMe storage, 100 free email accounts, 5 mailboxes per website, free for the first year, plus a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also upgrades you to daily and on-demand backups, an AI-powered e-commerce website builder, an AI website builder for WordPress, and includes a CDN for faster global performance. The Cloud Startup plan builds on everything included in the premium and business plans and takes it to the next level. You get hosting for up to 100 websites with blazing fast 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, 200 free email accounts, 10 mailboxes per website, free for the first year, and a free domain name with annual billing. This plan also includes automatic website migration, a dedicated IP address for added security and performance, and priority 24/7 expert support. Go ahead and click the Choose Plan button under the option you want to go with. You'll now be on the cart page. On the right-hand side, you'll see a link that says Have a Coupon Code. Click on that. Then paste in the Hostinger promo code I've included in the description below and hit Apply. You'll see the updated discount instantly, helping you save even more on your Hostinger web hosting. On the left side of the cart, under Period, you can choose how long you want your hosting plan to run. Keep in mind the free domain name is only included with the annual plans. For this tutorial, I'll go with the 12-month option. Next, click the Continue button to begin setting up your Hostinger account. You'll be prompted to register. Just enter your details and click Register when you're ready. After that, fill in your billing address information. If you selected an annual plan, you'll see that a free domain name is included, along with free domain privacy protection to keep your personal info safe. Once that's filled out, click Continue to move forward. Finally, enter your payment details. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page, you'll find a list of all the payment methods that Hostinger accepts, so you can choose what works best for you. One quick note, after completing your purchase, you'll be able to choose your free domain name if your plan includes one. You can also register a new domain or connect an existing one directly from your Hostinger dashboard. For this tutorial, I'll choose to pay by card and click the Submit Payment button. Once the payment is processed, you'll receive a confirmation email with your receipt for the Hostinger purchase. You'll now land on the Who is this website for page. Just select the option that best fits your needs, or click Skip at the bottom if you'd rather move on without filling this out. I'll go ahead and click Next. Now you'll see the Create or Migrate Your Website page. Choose the option that applies to you. I'll select Create a Website and then click Next. Next, you'll be asked how you would like to build your site. You can choose between WordPress, the Hostinger website builder, or an empty PHP HTML site. For this tutorial, we're going with WordPress. So I'll select that and click Next. Now it's time to set up your WordPress login details. You can choose the language for your WordPress dashboard, then enter the username and password you want to use to log in. Once you've done that, click Next. Finally, you'll be taken to the Choose a Pre-Built Website page. Here you can browse through a variety of professional templates to kickstart your design. At the bottom of this page, you'll see the option to create a blank site and use a theme instead. For this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to access professional pre-made templates and customize them with an easy drag and drop editor. I'll start by clicking Create Blank Site. Next, you'll land on the What domain do you want to use for this website page. Here you can type in the domain name you want to use or enter a domain you already own. If you're not ready to pick out a domain yet, simply click Use Temporary Domain at the bottom to get started right away with a temporary address. After that, you'll see the Where is your target audience located page. From the drop-down, select the data center closest to your audience for optimal speed. Once you've made your choice, click Install WordPress. It may take a few minutes. When it's finished, you'll be automatically redirected to the WordPress dashboard on Hostinger's onboarding page. Before we pick a theme and start creating our site, we want to uninstall the Hostinger Onboarding plugin so we can access the Elementor page builder to edit and create our site. Click the Plugins tab in the left side menu. Find the Hostinger Onboarding plugin. Underneath it, click Deactivate. Now I want to pick out a theme to begin creating a site. To pick out a theme for your site, find the Appearance tab and hover over it. Click Themes is where you can pick out a theme for your site. Next, click Add New Theme. You'll now see WordPress themes that you can choose from. There's thousands of free themes to choose from. Now I'm going to show you how to access free professionally designed WordPress themes and how to edit them easily with the drag and drop editor. Type in Astra in the search field. Click the Install button. Then click the Activate button. Once it is done activating the theme, you want to find the Plugins tab in the side menu. Click Add Plugin. In the search field, type in Starter Templates. You want to click Install on it. Then click Activate. Once it's done activating the plugin, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over the Appearance tab in the side menu. Click on Starter Templates. You'll see how you would like to build your website. I'll select the classic starter templates. Click the Build with Templates button. Choose Elementor for the page builder. If you ever see something other than Elementor showing up at the top, just click from the drop-down and select Elementor. It'll now showcase a bunch of WordPress themes you can build your site with using drag and drop. You can type in the type of website you want to create to pull up templates based on that. You'll see a bunch of categories you can hover over and select to build your site. If you click a theme, it'll show you what it will look like so you can preview it. Click the X button to go back to the themes page. Something I want to mention, any of the templates, no matter the category and what they are called, can be used for your website. You can easily change it and edit the templates to what you'd like when creating your WordPress site. Just find a template you like, and then you can start making it your own, no matter what category the template is in. Select the theme you want. I'll select this theme here called Outdoor Adventure. You can upload a logo if you'd like. You can do this at a later time, so if you don't have one now, no worries. You can now choose the font and colors for your site. You can update these at a later time or change them whenever you'd like. I cover this later in the video. Click the Continue button. You'll now be on the Select Features page. Feel free to select any features you want. I'll click Skip this step. You'll now be on the Tell us a little about yourself page. You don't have to fill this out if you don't want to. Just make sure under Advanced Options you have each one selected. Click the Submit and Build My Website button. It'll begin building your website. Once it is done, you'll be on the Congratulations page. Click the View Your Website button. It'll now take you to your website and what it looks like. To make edits to your site, click the Edit with Elementor tab at the top of the page. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can easily make changes to your site. You can click on something and then put in the text you want. If you click Style, you can make changes to the style. You can click on something and move things around. If you click the plus icon here at the top left of the page, you can easily drag stuff over from the left into the page where you want it. You can click an image to put in your own image. If you scroll down to the bottom of the page to the Drag Widget section, click the Starter Templates icon. Click Blocks in the menu. You can then choose from lots of block templates that you can add to your site. I'll click one. I'll click the Import Block button. It's now been added to the page. To change the background color of a section, right-click in the top section. Click Edit section, click Style. Where you see color, click into this to change the color to what you'd like. If you want to change a background image for a section, right-click in this top section. Click Edit Container, click Style. You'll see the image here. Click into it and you can upload an image or choose an image already uploaded to WordPress. Next, click Background Overlay. Click into Color. You can change the background color. Where you see opacity, you can drag this over to get it how you like. To edit the contact form shown here on the Contact Us page, from the WordPress dashboard, click on WP Forms. Hover over the Contact Us form showing here. Click Edit underneath it. It'll bring up the drag and drop editor where you can make edits to your contact form. If you want to make edits to the menu on your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance and click Menus. This is where you can edit the menu on your site. You can add new pages to the menu or drag a page to a different order. If you click the tiny arrow, you can change the name of it or completely delete it from the menu. If you want to create a completely new menu, you can click Create a New Menu. If you want to edit the footer, header, and logo of your site, from the WordPress dashboard, hover over Appearance in the left side menu and click Customize. To edit the footer, click Footer. You can then click an area in the footer area where you see the pencil icon to start making edits to that section. You can click the X button to remove that area from the footer. To edit the header area of your site, scroll up to the top of the page. If you click into the header area of your site on something, you can make edits. If you want to remove something in the header, just find it here and click the X button to remove it from the header. In this section, you can move things around to change the look of the menu area to get it how you like it. If you click the pencil icon where you see the logo, it'll pull up where you can remove the current logo and add your own logo. I'm going to click the back arrow twice. If you click Site Identity, you can then upload a favicon, which is the site icon for your site. If you click Site Title and Logo Settings, you'll be able to change the site title for your site. You'll see Tagline is where you can change the tagline for your site. I'll click the back button twice. If you click Global, Typography is where you can change the fonts used for your site. Colors is where you can change the colors for your site. Buttons is where you can change the button presets and colors used. Now you know how to access professional pre-made templates, build your WordPress website on Hostinger, and customize it easily using the drag and drop editor, Elementor Page Builder. That wraps up my Hostinger WordPress tutorial, your step-by-step guide to creating and designing your website with Hostinger. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Your feedback helps me make better tutorials for you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger hosting, guides, and WordPress tips.